Getting started with Voice Pro is actually quite easy. Let's go ahead and take a look at how everything works so you know what to do. So first step is to make sure that you create your account, and you should have received some sort of thank you page where it has the registration URL. Do that, right? So once you have registered, you should be able to log in. Your panel should look empty like this initially. Now let's go ahead and look around. It should be very, very easy, okay? Let's look at the first page. The widget is pretty much your voicemail. So for example, when you add a new widget, you're pretty much adding new voicemails. So you can add one for site A, site B, person A, person B. You get the idea, right? Let's add one right here, add widget. I can call it stishgear.com. And to be honest, these things you can modify to yourself, guys. To be honest, pop up. Okay, you can take care of these things yourself. Okay, here let me add some sort of picture of me if I have one somewhere. You can modify these things like that. Let's see. Okay, and let's save it. Okay, now let's go to widget. Okay, you have a couple of options. One option is to click on get code. Okay, and inline widget will pretty much add it wherever you put it up. So for example, let's put one up. Okay, you can put it on WordPress or any website that you wish. That should be a problem. Let's add it on a WordPress, for example. So page, add new page, right? I'm just gonna add it. So I'm just typing something, you get the idea, same old stuff. It's very easy, guys. I put it here, right? And I can see, it's gonna add it just like this. That's one way of adding it, right? The other way of adding it is pop-up. Let's click it here, and I'm gonna get rid of it from here. In this case, it's recommended you might want to add it on a header, but not necessarily, right? Because you might want it on a just simple page. I'm gonna open this up and show it to you. Okay, it is right here. Leave a voice message. Okay, you can have it just like that. Very easy, very simple. We can go back and modify these things. So if we come back and click on modify, we can always click here and we can change where we want it. I think you guys get the idea. Let's go to here. So yeah, same thing. It works. Okay, it's option 2. Option number 3 is get code. This is the URL it will give you. If you copy this, copy it, and you can give it to anybody, right? So on a whatever you want. So just like this, and people can record it. Yeah, and let's record one. Testing, testing. Okay, you'll get an email as well, and if we come back here, it's gonna say you got a voicemail here because you'll know right here. And you should also get an email that looks something similar to this, and you can go log in, or your other option is clicking here and it'll let you listen to it without logging in. Very simple. Okay, and where's my box? So yeah, that's pretty much it, and all your leads go here. You can always do a mass email if you want to. Please make sure not to send any spams. If you do, you're going to be banned. No refund, any of that stuff. Okay, export, you can export the CSV out anytime. It has your information. Sub accounts, now this is the reseller part. Okay, so create an account. Now we have added, we've added a couple of packages here, but if you want a custom package, get in touch with us, create an account here, and they can log in from the same place. Okay, as simple as that. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy it. We have added a copy of the sales page, and we will go through how to sell it, all that stuff on the actual webinar. That's going to happen in a few days. If you cannot attend the webinar, that's okay. we will have a replay for you. Have a nice day. And if you have questions, make sure to open a ticket.